As stuff obviously gets more compact with time, we've slowly just keep removing things from our devices. Given this laptop has a headphone port, which I'm shocked. Now, I typically use my Surface mostly for editing photos and, of course, videos, but recently I've been trying to use it to actually capture footage. Now, normally just plugging the Elgato into the laptop and the only available USB port would work perfectly fine. However, this laptop barely has space. Now, of course, I could, upgrade it. At the same time, I just thought, well, what's better than upgrading it than skipping the upgrade portion and go straight for an external drive. Now, funny enough, this is actually a road trip I had to do to get this. Normally I think they're like over $100, but of course Facebook Marketplace found one for $30. As he hands me the package, he just goes, "Oh yeah, sorry, my dog got to it." Now, theoretically, if I wanted to capture footage and use this external drive, I obviously have to plug it in via USB. And obviously, there's only one USB port. Now, of course, trying to record and capture stuff off a USB port when there's only one is, obviously impossible. This one here at my local Staples was the exact same price. Introducing the J5 Create USB 3.0 4-port mini hub. And of course it obviously accepts cameras, hard drives, which that's something I obviously look for when getting this. And of course USB 3.0 devices, and of course, even better, fast charging available. And of course its main selling point obviously to me is the fact that once again it accepts hard drives, but it has its own separate power adapter. That obviously means it's getting power from a separate source other than the USB port itself, therefore can obviously handle more. I love cutting small pieces of tape with ungodly sized knives. Looks like everything's gonna slide out in a nice, neat tray. Woo-wee. Now, the actual device itself is surprisingly way smaller than I thought it'd be. Holy crap, this is really tiny compared to my hand. We got the power supply with no face plug. That's nice. I can only assume, obviously, it's in this baggie. Oh, it was. For no logical reason at all can this make sense to me. Maybe it's because, like, if they sell it in different countries? And, of course, the USB to hub cord. I forget what this specific plug is called. Obviously, my goal, once again, is to run this external drive off of it and be able to capture footage off of it. It connected the drive. Oh my god, we're in deep. It loaded the drive. Holy crap. Now that's the only problem. Can it power that as well? Now, of course, the real question is, can it record? I don't like how close all this shit is to me, dude. Why'd I give away up?
Oh, yo.
And boom, just like that, I now have the easiest setup to record possible without putting pretty much any strain on my computer. The only thing that's actually going to be running on my computer, which is already running ironically to record this, is Audacity. It's kind of weird to think that the video signal is coming up through that USB out to the computer just for it to go back through that USB and to that drive to be stored. If this unboxing helped you in any way, shape, or form, please drop a like, and if you feel like it at least, subscribe as well to stay notified of future content like this.